Video 171, Bug Fixing, DPC Calcs. This was removed because we made so many mistakes. It deserves its own video. It'll be in the next video. Inside of the function, we're taking all of this data that specifies a tile somewhere on the DOM and getting its data pixel component index, the index of the red byte. We made a lot of problems for ourselves. So first of all, we've moved the point at which we fetch the lateral span up to the top of the file because it's referenced in two sections below. Here we changed hi9 to input hi9 to make it correct. We made the error checking more verbose for checking R5X and R5Y because we were having problems because of this lateral being nan, which we fixed. We are using the wrong lookup table here. Now we are using the correct lookup table. We made the error checking more verbose here as well, because we're trying to figure out why we were getting an invalid value for RDI. We were using layer X and layer Y in this error check, which is completely wrong. And we now have LMX and LMY here, which is correct. We marked the end of the function because it was getting pretty long. What we did previously, footnotes, and what we did in this video. If you want me to go into more detail about what I fixed, you can go to this playlist. You are on the shorter playlist. You can get the source code here, and you can email me here. This has been video 171. Like and subscribe.